Good morning, students. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have already watched the two lectures that I have uploaded from this chapter, System of Circles. So let us start the third Roman of exercise 2a. The first problem is find the equation of the circle which intersects the circle orthogonally and passes through the point 3, 0 and touches the y-axis. That means we need to find out an equation of a circle. So the unknown circle equation, the required circle equation, let us take let the equation of the required circle be s x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This circle cuts the given circle orthogonally. Since the given the required circle cuts the given circle s dash, let us take it as s dash x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 equals to 0. Since the required circle cuts the given circle orthogonally, we know what is the condition of the orthogonality. 2gg dash plus 2ff dash equals to c plus c dash. Please remember this. So we have been using this condition of orthogonality for all the problems that are there in this exercise. So that is 2gg dash plus 2ff dash equals to c plus c dash. So g, f, c are the letters of the required circle, and g dash, f dash, c dash are the terms, are the letters of the given circle. So this is 2g, g dash is minus 3, 2f, f dash is 2 is equals to c plus c dash is minus 3. This is equals to minus 6g plus 4f minus c. This is plus into minus minus 3. So this is plus 3 equals to 0. So if I take minus in common, 6g minus 4f plus c minus 3 equals to 0. So this is first equation. Let us take this to be the second equation. And if we move a little bit further, the required circle passes through the point. Since the required circle s equals to 0 is passing through 3, 0. Whenever a circle is passing through a point has to satisfy the equation of the circle. So that is x square 3 square 9, y square 0 square, 2g into 3 6g, 2f into 0 0 plus c value c is equals to 0. Let us take this to be the third equation. And if we move further, the required circle touches y-axis. So before this, let us add 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 gives rise to 2 plus 3. So 6g plus 6g, follow g. Next, 2 minus 3, let us do. This is 2 minus 3. Okay. So 6g minus 6g gets cancelled. Minus 4f Next, plus c minus c gets cancelled. Minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12 is equals to 0. From this, minus 4f equals to 12, f equals to minus 3. So the required circle touches y-axis. So since the required circle s equals to 0 touches y-axis, so in the circles lecture we have discussed this. Whenever the circle touches x-axis, g square equals to c is the condition. In the same way, whenever circle touches the y-axis, f square equals to c. So using that condition, so if you don't know this, then please watch the circles video where that everything has been clearly discussed and derived. So since the required circle touches y-axis, implies f square is equals to c is the condition. Required circle touches x-axis, then g square equals to c is the condition. So from this, c is equals to f square, 3 square, 9 I get. So and I have f value, c value. So we require g value. Substituting. So let us substitute in this 3. Substituting c in 3. Then 9 plus 6 into 6g, c value is plus 9 equals to 0. This implies 6g, 9 plus 9, 18. 6g is equals to minus 18. G is equals to 6 3s are 18. G is equals to minus 3. Therefore, we have g value, f value, c value. All we need to do is to substitute in this to obtain the equation of the required circle. Substituting g is equals to minus 3, f equals to minus 3 and c equals to 9 in 1. X square plus y square, 2gx, 2 into minus 3 minus 6x, 2fy, 2 into minus 3 minus 6y plus c, 9 equals to 0. Find the equation of the circle which cuts the circle. These two circles, the required circle is cutting orthogonally. So as usual, let us take the required circle to be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, general equation. And since it touches both the circles, condition of orthogonality is to be used for both of them. That is point number 1. And has the diameter along the straight line. So required circle is the general equation. What is the center of it? Minus g minus f. So along the straight line has the diameter. Diameter means this is the circle. So diameter means this. Diameter is passing through the center. So if the required circle is minus g minus what is that? General equation. Its center is minus g minus f. That minus g minus f should pass through 2x plus 3y equals to 7, because the required circle has the diameter along the straight line. Center lies on the line. Okay, so this is what we need to use. So as usual, find let us take the circles. Let solution, let the equation of the required circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Since let the given circles be s dash, s double dash. So along the straight line, given straight line is right line is 2x plus 3y equals to 7. So, since the required circle cuts these two circles orthogonally, since s equals to 0 cuts s dash equals to 0 orthogonally, let us use the condition of the orthogonality. 2g dash plus 2f dash is equals to c plus c dash. This implies 2g dash is equals to minus 2, 2f dash is minus 3 is equals to c plus c dash 11. So this is minus 4g minus 6f minus c minus 11 equals to 0. So if I take minus in common, then it is 4g plus 6f plus c plus 11 equals to 0. So let us take this to be the first equation and this to be the second. So s equals to 0 also cuts s double dash equals to 0 orthogonally. This implies 2g dash minus 5, 2f dash minus 2 is equals to c plus c dash, c plus 21. This is equals to minus 10g minus 4f minus c minus 21 equals to 0. So therefore 10g plus 4f plus c plus 21 equals to 0. Let us take this to be the third one. So let us subtract. If I subtract 3 and 2, then actually this plus c and this minus c will be cancelled. So 3 minus 2 I will do. 3 minus 2 means 10g minus 4g is 6g. 4f minus 6f minus 2f plus c minus c gets cancelled. 21 minus 11 is plus 10 equals to 0. That means if I take 2 in common, 2 3s, next 2 plus 2 5s are 10 equals to 0. Let us suppose this to be the fourth equation. Required circle has the diameter along the line. That means required circle has the diameter along the line 2x plus 3y equals to 7. That means diameter along the line means the center of the required circle is passing through this. So required circle has the diameter along the given line 2x plus 3y equals to 7. So that means a required circle center or the center of the required circle lies on 2x plus 3y equals to 7. So what is if this is the general equation of the circle, so what is the center of it? Minus g minus f. So that means substituting minus g minus f in 2x plus 3y equals to 7. So 2 into minus g minus 2g, 3 into minus f, so minus 3f, minus 7 equals to 0. This is 2g plus 3f plus 7 equals to 0. Let us take this to be fifth equation. Since the fourth equation and fifth equation are in terms of G and F, if we solve these two simultaneous equations, then we will be getting G and F value, for which so fourth one I will multiply it with 3. Then 3 3s are 9G, 3 into minus F minus 3F, 3 5s are 15 equals to 0. Fifth equation is 2G plus 3F plus 7 equals to 0. So I will add up these two. 9 plus 2 11G, 3F gets cancelled, 15 plus 7 22. If I take that side, minus 22. Therefore G value is equals to minus 2. Substituting G value I have, substitute in this to get F. Substituting G in fourth equation, then 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, minus F plus 5 equals to 0. That means minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. Minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. So minus 1 minus F. So F equals to minus 1 value. Still C value is what we require. If we get a C value also, then G, F, C, if we substitute back in the first equation, we will get the required equation of the circle. Substituting G comma F in second equation, we will get 4, G value is minus 2, 6 into the value of F is minus 1, plus C plus 11 equals to 0. That is 4 2s are minus 8, minus 6 plus C plus 11 equals to 0. Minus 14 plus 11 minus 3. Minus 14 plus 11 minus 3. If I transpose that minus 3 onto another side, C is equals to 3 again. Therefore G is equals to minus 2, F equals to minus 1 and C value. Substituting G comma F comma C in the equation number 1, we get x square plus y square plus 2gx, 2x into the value of G is minus 2, 2fy, 2y into the value of F is minus 1, plus C is 3 equals to 0. Therefore x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 3 equals to 0 is the equation of the required circle. If P comma Q are conjugate points with respect to a circle, then prove that the circle PQ as the diameter cuts the circle S equals to 0 orthogonally. First of all, what are conjugate points? We have discussed the conjugate points in the chapter circles. P comma Q are said to be conjugate points if the polar of P passes through Q and the polar of Q passes through P. For example, these two are the points. This is P, Q. So point is equals to pole. Point can be understood as pole, or pole can be understood as point, and the polar is a line. So if P is a point, that means it's a pole. It has to have a polar. That polar of P passes through Q, and Q is a point. That means it is a pole. It must have a polar. The polar of Q must pass through P. Then P and Q are said to be conjugate points. And the condition for the conjugate points P comma Q, the condition for the points P comma Q to be conjugate points is S12 equals to 0. And another part is if prove that the circle PQ as the diameter cuts the circle. So this is the circle with P comma Q as the diameter. So then what is the equation of the diameter? When we have P comma Q, for example x1 y1 x2 y2, if we take as P and Q, then x minus x1 into y minus y1, x minus x1 into x minus x2 equals plus y minus y1 into y2, y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to 0. Then actually we will be getting an equation of this circle. So this circle cuts this circle orthogonally. That means 2gg dash plus 2ff dash equals to c plus c dash is what we need to prove. So g, f, c values are from this circle and g dash, f dash, c dash are from this equation of the circle having p comma q as the diameter. So let us prove it. Okay. First of all, let P x1 y1 Q x2 y2 be the 2 points. Be the 2 points. The polar of P with respect to S equals to 0. What is this S? Standard general equation of a circle is S1 equals to 0. The notation of this is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. Now, since given P comma Q are conjugate points, since P comma Q are conjugate points, implies S12 equals to 0. S12 equals to 0. That means Q x2 y2 must pass through this. That means x2 y2 if you substitute x2 in the place of x, y2 in the place of y, then we will be getting x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2, y1 in the place of y, y2. So y1 plus y2 plus c equals to 0. From this, x1 x2 is equals to minus of x1 x2 plus y1 y2 is equals to minus g into x1 plus x2 minus f into y1 plus y2 if I transpose these terms onto the RHS. Now, so prove that the circle PQ as the diameter cuts the circle. So equation of a circle having P comma Q as the extremities or the end points, extremities of the diameter is, so the diametric equation of the circle, so which we have studied before in the circles chapter. So various forms, parametric equation of the circle, diametric equation of the circle, and standard equation of the circle, general equation of the circle, central form, everything we have discussed before. So that is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to 0. That means circle is there and P comma Q are the ends of the diameter with x1 y1 x2 y2 are the ends or extremities of this diameter. The formula is, the equation of that circle is this. Okay, so now that implies x into x square minus xx2 minus xx1 minus x, if I take common, x1 plus x2 plus x1 x2 minus x1 into minus x2 plus x1 x2 y square minus y into y1 plus y2 plus y1 y2 equals to 0. If I write this in a standard form, then it is x square plus y square minus of x into x1 plus x2 plus minus y into y1 plus y2 plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2 equals to 0. This is the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Let us suppose this to be s dash. So the equation of the given circle is s. So what do we need to prove? Prove that the circle PQ has a diameter, that means s dash, cuts the circle s equals to 0 orthogonally. Whenever s equals to 0 and s dash equals to 0 cuts orthogonally, the condition is 2gg dash plus 2ff dash equals to c plus c dash. G, f, c are to be taken from this. G dash, f dash, c dash are to be taken from this. And we need to prove 2gg dash plus 2ff dash equals to c plus c dash. Now, since s equals to 0 comma s dash equals to 0 cuts each other orthogonally, we have to prove 2gg dash plus 2ff dash equals to c plus c dash. So LHS 2g, g dash is, so 2gx, g is equals to minus of x1 plus x2, 2g equals to, so g equals to, g dash is minus of x1 plus x2 by 2. So this is minus of x1 plus x2 by 2. 2ff dash, 2f, what is f dash? X square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash. So f dash is how much? Minus of y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is equals to 2 gets cancelled. 2 gets cancelled. I am left with minus g into x1 plus x2 minus f into y1 plus y2. So this is equals to see this, minus g into x1 plus x2 minus f into y1 plus y2 is equals to c plus c dash is what we need to prove. So c dash is this, is equals to minus g into x1 plus x2 minus f into y1 plus y2 is what we got. Earlier, since s12 equals to 0, x1 x2 plus y1 y2 equals to, take all the terms on that side, minus g into x1 plus x2 minus f into y1 plus y2 minus c. From this, what is the value of c? If minus c is to be taken on this side, c plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2, this one we got earlier, otherwise you may take it as first equation. So c plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2 is equals to minus g into x1 plus x2 minus f into y1 plus y2. So from this we can reduce this. Now minus g into x1 plus x2 minus f into y1 plus y2, we got it to be c plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2. This is equals to c plus c dash. This one is x square plus y square minus 2 plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus this is c dash. So this is c dash. Therefore 2gg dash plus 2ff dash is equals to c plus c dash we get. Therefore s equals to 0 cuts s dash equals to 0 orthogonally. What is this S dash equals to 0? The equation of a circle having P comma Q as the end points of the diameters orthogonally. Find the equation of the circle which intersect each of the following circles orthogonally. 3 circles are given. So, as far as this particular problem is concerned, so since the radical axis concept is not discussed at which we are going to discuss after a short while after this exercise, radical axis. So if we use that radical axis, then actually we can get that very easily. So the concept is the 3 circles are like this, and one big circle cuts all the 3 circles orthogonally. So the big circle is 2gg dash plus 2ff dash equals to c plus c dash, let us take, and these are s dash, s double dash, s triple dash. So s is equals to 0, s dash equals to 0. Condition for the orthogonality you use. Same is the case with s equals to 0, s double dash equals to 0, and s dash equals to 0, s triple dash equals to 0. Then we will be getting 3 equations in terms of G, F, C and constant equals to 0. So if we solve all of them, then we will be getting G, F, C values, and if we substitute back into the general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c equals to 0, then we will get that answer. Otherwise, so the next concept is the radical axis. So these 2 circles radical axis you find, these 2 circles radical axis you find, these 2 circles radical axis you find. So this radical axis is nothing but a line. So this is s equals to 0, s dash equals to 0, s minus s dash equals to 0 is a line L. So likewise 3 line equations we will be getting. If you solve, then also you will get the answer. But this is the center of the required circle. So from this to any circle, if you find the length of the tangent, you will be getting the radius. H comma k center I have and radius. So you will get. So this process we will discuss it after a short while. So at present, let us use the common thing itself. Now find so let the equation of the required circle be, let the solution, let the equation of the required circle be s x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Next, given circles are, I'll take s dash, s double dash, s triple dash. So since s triple dash is not in an order, which is not a general equation, so for the equation to be a general equation, the quotient of x square and the quotient of y square is 1. For which let us do a little thing. For this, x square plus y square, with 2 you multiply, then x square y square quotient will be 1. So 6x by 2 is 3x plus 8y by 2 is 4y minus 3 by 2 equals to 0. Now this is my s triple dash now. Instead of this, I'll take this. Now, since the required circle s equals to 0 cuts s dash equals to 0, s double dash equals to 0 and s triple dash equals to 0 orthogonally, the condition is 2gg dash plus 2ff dash is equals to C plus C dash. Here G, F, C are the terms of this required circle, and G dash, F dash, C dash are the values of the quotient of x, y and the constant. So now first s equals to 0, s dash equals to 0, condition of orthogonality we will use. 2g, g dash is x quotient to half plus 2f, f dash 2 is equals to c plus c dash, c plus 1. This is equals to 2g plus 4f minus c minus 1 equals to 0. Let us suppose this to be the equation 1. Now this is equation 2. So, and s dash equals to 0. This is for s equals to 0 comma s dash equals to 0. Now s equals to 0 comma s double dash equals to 0 implies 2g, g dash minus 1, 2f, f dash is 3, c plus c dash, c minus 3. This is minus 2g plus 6f minus c plus 3 equals to 0. If I take minus in common, we will be getting 2g minus 6f plus c minus 3 equals to 0. Let us take this to be the third equation. Similarly, so s equals to 0 and s triple dash equals to 0 also we will do. 2g, g dash, g dash is 3 by 2. 2f, f dash is 2 is equals to c plus c dash, c minus 3 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled here. 3g plus 4f minus c plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. Let us take this to be the fourth equation. Now what I am doing is third equation and second equation I will add, then minus c plus c will be cancelled. So second plus third gives rise to 2g plus 2g is 6g, so 4g. Next 4f minus 6f minus 2f minus c plus c gets cancelled. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 equals to 0. So 2g minus f minus 2 equals to 0. So this is fifth equation. Likewise, 2 next this is third equation and fourth equation I will add. Third equation plus fourth equation I will add. Third equation is 2g plus 3g, 5g. Next, minus 6f plus 4f minus 2f, minus 6f plus 4f minus 2f. So here my plus c minus c gets cancelled. So here minus 3 plus 3 by 2. So 2 3s are minus 6 plus 3 minus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. This is, if I take 2 LCM, then 2 5s are 10g minus 2 2s are 4f minus 3 equals to 0. So let us take this to be the sixth equation. So I will solve 5 and 6, for which simply what I am doing is I will multiply with 5 here. Fifth equation I will multiply with 5. Then 5 2s are 10g, 5f 5 2s are 10 equals to 0. And the sixth equation is as it is. I am not doing anything for that. So 10g minus 4f minus 3 equals to 0. I will subtract minus plus plus. So cancel. Minus 5f plus 4f is minus f. Minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7. So it will be, if you take to that side, it will be plus 7. Therefore, f equals to minus 7 I get. Substituting f in 5, that is 2g minus f minus 2 equals to 0. 2g minus f value is minus 7 I got. F value is minus 7 I got. Minus 2 equals to 0. This implies 2g minus of minus plus 7. Minus of minus plus 7 minus 2 is plus 5 equals to 0. This implies 2g is equals to minus 5. Therefore, g value is minus 5 by 2. Substituting g comma f values in the second equation. What is the second equation? 2g plus 4f minus c minus 1 equals to 0 in equation 2. So this implies 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 4 into the value of f is minus 7 minus c minus 1 equals to 0. 2 gets cancelled here. So minus 5 minus 28 minus c minus 1 equals to 0. This implies minus 33 minus 1 minus 34 minus c minus 34 equals to 0. This is minus 33 minus 1 minus 34 minus c. Therefore, c is equals to minus 34 because minus c equals to 34. G comma f comma c in the equation 1, general equation, we get x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. That is, we get x square plus y square 2gx, 2x into g. 2x into g value is minus 5 by 2. 2y into f value is minus 7, which we get earlier. C value is minus 34 equals to 0. So 2 gets cancelled. X square plus y square minus 5x minus 14y minus 34 equals to 0.